What if I told you you can use Higgsfield AI completely free? No credit card, no risky trials, no fake hacks, and most people are either paying or they think it's impossible. But today, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method. And stay till the end, because I'll show you how to avoid the mistake that gets most accounts restricted. Here's the problem. AI tools are getting expensive. Everywhere you go, subscription, monthly payment, limited credits. And if you're a beginner, student, freelancer, content creator, you don't want to spend money just to test something. I was in the same situation. I wanted to try Higgsfield AI, but I didn't want to risk my card details. So I tested everything, and I found something interesting. Most people go directly to the pricing page. That's mistake number one, because Higgsfield AI actually provides free access, but not in the way you think. There's a smart way to start, and it doesn't involve fake emails or shady tricks. It's about understanding how the platform gives trial credits. Let me show you step by step. Step 1. Go to the official Higgsfield AI website. Step 2. Sign up using Google or email. No payment required. Step 3. After account creation, you'll receive free credits automatically. Most people don't even check this section. Go to your dashboard, check available credits. That's your free usage. Step 4. Use credits wisely. Instead of testing randomly, plan your prompts first. Create short test videos before making longer ones. This way, your free credits last longer. Now here's what nobody tells you. If you try creating multiple accounts from the same device repeatedly, your account can get flagged, so don't abuse the system. Use it smartly. Free doesn't mean cheat. It means optimize. If you want even more free access, watch for promotional events. Sometimes platforms like Higgsfield AI increase free credits for new users. Follow updates. Stay early. Move smart. In my next video, I'll show you how to turn these free AI videos into income without showing your face. So if you want that, subscribe now and comment free AI if this helped you.